In this video, I'm going to show you how I take this steak from this to this, right after this quick intro. Alright, we're going to be reverse searing the ribeye steak. So the first thing you want to do is set your oven to 250 degrees. And then we're going to take 14 to 15 ounce boneless ribeye, place it in the pan. And then we're going to take that ribeye steak and place it in the oven. Probably for about 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, the steak is all done. Here I'm pulling it out of the oven. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do, season the steak on both sides. Alright, here we go. I was going to try to do this whole video as a voiceover, but I realized I'm going to be reverse searing the steak. So I got to let you hear the sear. Alright. Alright, so boom, going in with my steak. And of course, that's what you want to hear. If you don't hear that, your pan wasn't hot enough. The other thing is, you want to use a high heat oil when you're doing this. So I'm using avocado oil. Alright, this handles high heat. A little bit pricey, but this, I think this bottle was like $6. And, you know, it lasts for a while because you don't use a lot. Alright. So I'm gonna get a nice sear on this side. I'm not gonna move it around. I'm not gonna be flipping it or anything like that. All right. But with a little bit more seasoning, some of my seasoning came off. This is my first time trying this seasoning. All right, turn down my heat, going with some butter. Some thyme, some shallots, and some garlic. Gonna do a little bit more butter. Now I'm gonna start basting it. And that's what you want. You want the butter foaming up like that. Put everything on top of the steak. That's just going to give it some more flavor. I'm gonna move this over right here. I'm gonna put my steak here to rest for about 10 minutes. Get those juices to stop flowing and everything. I don't want to cut into it and then all of a sudden all the juices run out. All right, so we'll be back in about 10-15 minutes. All right, steak is done, all cut up. As you can see, it's a little bit well done. So what I suggest is that you just put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes and sear it on both sides a little bit less time, maybe a couple minutes on each side. Right here, I'm putting on some homemade chimichurri sauce. I have the link to the video for that recipe somewhere in this video. And once again, I just want to thank you for coming to the channel. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That's going to notify you when I upload any new videos. And also share the video with your friends. Alright, I appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next video. This is Cooking and Grilling with Karl. God bless. And catch you on the next video. Peace.